In our everyday expressions, we use like as a verb to express an opinion of preference about someone or something, or just to express a good feeling. For example, I like roses. I like Tom. She likes to dance. But in today's lesson, we will be talking about like and alike in their use to describe similarities. Hello everyone, I'm Paula. Welcome to my channel, Know Your English Grammar, for another insightful English grammar lesson. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so as yet and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my lessons. The words like and alike are often used in English language to express similarities. They may look alike and sound alike, but they are structured differently when used in sentences. Like suggests a general similarity or resemblance of one thing to another thing. It means that something is similar to or in a similar manner to another thing. This ball is similar to that ball, but they are not the same. To compare similarities, like is used as a preposition. When used as a preposition, like is preceded by a form of the verb to be, that is a linking verb, and followed by a noun or a pronoun in the objective case. In general, when we use like, we are comparing nouns. For example, Mary is like her mother. We're comparing Mary to her mother. We're saying Mary is similar to or has a similar manner to her mother. So we have Mary as the noun. Is, which is a form of the verb to be, preceding the preposition like and followed by the noun object mother. Please note that the noun or the pronoun that follows the preposition is now the object of the sentence. So it's a noun object or a pronoun object. To be a little more detailed, in place of the linking verb to be, we may use any verb of the senses such as sound, look, feel, smell, and taste, followed by a noun object. For example, Mary's hair smells like roses. Instead of saying Mary's hair is like roses, we're being more detailed by saying her hair smells like roses. We're comparing the scent of Mary's hair to the scent of roses. He looks like his father. This is being more detailed. Instead of saying he is like his father, we are giving more details of the similarities by telling you that he looks like his father. We're comparing the resemblance of the boy to his father. When using like as a preposition, we are also able to emphasize the degree of similarity by using words or phrases such as a bit, just, so, so much, more, and very. For example, he is a bit like his brother. Your car looks just like mine. My cake tastes more like a cookie. So in these sentences, we are emphasizing the degree of the similarity between one person or one thing and another. It's like we're giving levels to the similarities. Now let's look at like as a conjunction. Please note, like is not a conjunction, but it may be used informally as a conjunction to mean as if. When like is used as an informal conjunction, it is used to compare situations that are real or unreal, or situations that are likely to happen. For example, it looks like it's going to rain. This is a situation that is likely to happen. In this use, like is used as a conjunction informally, followed by a complete clause with a subject and a verb. It's going to rain. Here are two other examples. He acted like they had never met before. Like is the informal conjunction followed by the complete clause, they have never met before. And our next example, he talks like he knows everything. Like is the informal conjunction followed by the complete clause, he knows everything. In those examples, like was used informally as a conjunction. In standard grammar, we would not use like. Instead, we would use the conjunction as if. So, instead of saying it looks like it's going to rain, we would say it looks as if it's going to rain. Likewise, he acted like they have never met before. We would say he acted as if they have never met before. And he talks like he knows everything. We would say he talks as if he knows everything. Now, let's see how we should use alike. Like and alike compare similarities. However, alike implies a stronger and more specific similarity. It means almost the same. It is used to indicate that two or more things share common characteristics, such as similarities in appearance, behavior, or other attributes. Alike does not mean identical. It implies strong similarities, but not sameness. For example, if we say this car looks like that car, we're implying that they share some similarities, but they are not identical. There are obvious differences. But if we say these cars are alike, we are suggesting that they are very similar in a lot of ways. They are almost identical. Alike may be used as an adjective and an adverb. When used as an adjective, alike compares the similarity between two or more things. It is used only after a linking verb, but not before a noun. A plural noun usually comes before the linking verb. For example, these two dresses are alike in design. This is saying the dresses are almost the same. So we have a plural noun, dresses, plus our linking verb, are, followed by our adjective, alike. For emphasis, we may use phrases such as very much alike, exactly alike, and nearly alike. For example, my mom says my siblings and I sound very much alike over the phone. This is saying my siblings and I sound almost the same. We have a plural noun, siblings, the verb sound followed by the adjective alike. Here's another example. My car and Sally's car are nearly alike. Here we are using nearly for emphasis. This means the two cars are very similar, but they are not the same. As mentioned earlier, alike may also be used as an adverb. As an adverb, alike means in the same way. It is used after an action verb. For example, the committee members work well together because they think alike. Our action verb is think, and it precedes the adverb alike. It means our committee members' thoughts are almost the same. Let's look at another example. The two musicians played so alike that it was hard to tell them apart. This is saying the musicians played almost the same way. In those sentences, Alike is used as an adverb to describe the manner or degree of similarity between actions or characteristics. Let's do a quick recap. While like and alike are similar in that they both describe similarities between things, they do have some differences in their meanings and usage. Number one, like may be used as a verb to express emotions such as finding something to be pleasant or enjoyable. For example, I like ice cream. Number two, like may be used as a preposition to compare one thing to another thing. When used as a preposition, like is preceded by a form of the verb to be and followed by a noun. For example, she sings like an angel. And number three, like may be used as an informal conjunction to mean as if. It looks like the exam results are published. The formal way would be it looks as if the exam results are published. Now let's look at alike. Alike is used as an adjective to describe two or more things that are very similar or almost the same. When used as an adjective, alike is used after a linking verb but never before a noun. For example, those apples look very much alike. And secondly, alike may be used as an adverb to indicate that two or more things are similar in a certain way. When used as an adverb, it is used after an action verb. For example, they think alike. So, like is more versatile. It functions as a verb, a preposition, and an informal conjunction, mainly to compare between one thing and another or indicate preference. And alike is used as an adjective or an adverb to describe or compare the similarity between two or more things. Well, we have come to the end of this lesson. I hope you found it useful. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my lessons. Thank you again for joining, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.